Hey everyone, it's Anna from the For Real YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a question a lot of you have. Can I really unlock my iPhone's IMEI? If you've ever tried using paid services or sketchy software, you know it can be frustrating and risky. But don't worry, there's a way better, safer, and completely free method that works on any iPhone or Android device, including Samsung. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and effectively. Let's get started. Remember, this information is for responsible use only. It's meant for those who own their device and have forgotten their access info. We do not support or encourage illegal actions like bypassing security on stolen devices. Respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards. Now let's continue. All right, let's talk about the services you might have come across. There are plenty of options out there, but not all of them are trustworthy or effective. For those of you looking for the best solutions, we've found a few standout options. First, there's Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app. It's the best, most up-to-date, and fastest option available for free. Then there's Safe Unlocks, which has a great reputation and only costs $1. Finally, ESN Doctor specializes in IMEI Blacklist Removal and offers reliable service. Each of these options provides a different approach to solving the problem, and they are all worth considering. Now, let's move on to how you can use Unlock Here's AI Unlocking Assistant to remove the blacklist from your device. Go to your browser on your phone or computer and navigate to unlockhere.com. This will open the website to remove the blacklist on your IMEI. You'll see Nifty, the AI-powered tool developed by the Unlock Here team. Scroll down a bit and choose the option that fits your needs, in this case, Fix IMEI Blacklist. Next, complete the steps on the app. Start by selecting the brand of your device. All major and medium-sized brands are compatible. Select yours and click the Next button. Enter your IMEI or serial number. If you need help finding it, dial *#06# on your phone to display a pop-up with all your device information, including the IMEI number. To complete your application, provide your name and email address. Make sure to comply with all the terms and conditions of the app. If you have questions, check the resources available. Once your request is processed, you'll receive an email with your unlock details within 5-15 minutes. Be sure to check your spam or promotion folder if you don't see it right away. To confirm your order and activate it, copy your verification code. Click on Confirm IMEI Unlock. Paste the code on the page, complete the CAPTCHA, and finalize by pressing Validate Info and Start Unlock. Nifty will now finalize the unlocking process. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. Please note that the unlock services only work in first world countries. If you can't access the services or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 free unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, like this video, subscribe, and comment your model, your IMEI, and your country. You will be automatically entered as soon as these steps are completed. All right, guys, here are some more alternative ways to remove an IMEI blacklist from your device. First up, contacting the carrier. This is often the best place to start. Reach out to the carrier that blacklisted your device and explain your situation. They have the authority to remove your device from the blacklist, especially if you can provide proof of ownership. This could be a receipt or any document showing you are the legitimate owner of the device. Next, if your device was reported lost or stolen, and you've recovered it, inform the carrier. They might remove it from the blacklist once you provide evidence that you have the device back. It's all about clear communication and providing the necessary proof. Another good practice is to check the IMEI status regularly. Sometimes blacklists are updated and devices are removed for various reasons. Use online IMEI status checkers to monitor your device's status and stay informed about any changes. Lastly, if your device was wrongfully blacklisted and you can't resolve the issue through the carrier, consulting a legal professional may be an option. This step should be considered a last resort due to the potential costs and time involved. But in some cases, it's necessary to get things sorted out legally. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you or if you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. Remember, the unlock services we discussed only work in first world countries. If you can't access these services or don't want to use them, we offer 250 free unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your model, your IMEI, and your country. You'll be automatically entered once these steps are completed. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.